Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix files not upload using file manager in hosting. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in file manager. If you have large file in zip format and you are trying to upload that zip file using file manager in cPanel or hosting and you are facing issue, so if you want, you can contact your hosting or you can use your FTP access to upload large file using filezilla. So we are in hosting and then on left side you see FTP management. So we are going to upload large file in zip format using FTP access. So you can use winscp or filezilla according to your requirement. So we are using filezilla. Now click on it. So we added host name, username and password, already connected. So this is a zip file. File size is more than 500 MB. So we are going to upload it using filezilla. Now drag and drop like this. Now in queue file you see file uploading. So if you are facing issue to upload large files like zip files, if you are facing issue to upload big file using file manager, then you can use FTP management to upload your zip files. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.